Okay, we had so much fun doing the last line that I just screwed up. I'm going to try this one. So this is a 3/8 line, which is -6. This one's already got a fitting on this side we're going to steal off because this has no fittings on this line. You can see how they put tape on this one, which I don't like. And this one here they had tape on. You can see where they got tape on this one too. Oop, up here is tape. So I'm going to take this apart, see what it looks like underneath here, and then see if I'm doing it near like I'm supposed to be doing, or I'm screwing it all up. More likely I'm screwing it all up. I think that's pretty much a given. Alright, let's see what's under here. For doing it with a wrench. Alright, so there's the piece. Piece still usable. I'm going to get this one out of here. Let's see, which way do you want to go with this thing? I think I gotta beat it out of the center first. Alright, let's see what they did. Okay, they had the plastic in there. Camera so low you can't see shit. So they had the plastic in there a lot further than I had it up in there. Not sure how they did that. And then they had it tightened up in there like that, like I thought it was going to be. So I'm not sure how that got squeezed up that far in there, whether it pulls in that way or just how it is. I guess it probably pulls in there deeper. Okay, well I gotta get that out, and I gotta get this nut off. The nut will come off pretty easy. This is a little bit harder. So I just hold it with that. And give it a little screwdriver. And I'll shove it back in there. Okay, we want the brass part. Just pull it out. Pull it out by the roots. Okay, plastic came out with it though. So that gets embedded in there, it looks like. So that's going to be really, really hard to get out of there. That is definitely in there very, very well. Alright, so I have to work on that a little bit more. This piece here just goes out the other side. That's easy to get out. So the plastic's going to be a hard part. We gotta get this plastic out of here. Luckily we have a 6-jaw chuck to work with. So that'll hold it pretty good. I'll try the old handy dandy pocket knife trick. spinning. I wonder if you can just unscrew it. Yeah, not gonna be that easy. It just goes in a circle because it's just round. Oop. So you see how it just goes in there like that, nice and easy. So what you gotta do is you gotta get underneath it like that, right there. And switch from the pocket knife to the screwdriver. Behind it like that, pull it out. Oop. There we go, good ferrule. Alright, good as new. Advantage of a 6-jaw chuck, it doesn't screw up parts, thin parts like this, it doesn't hurt them. Alright, we can reuse this piece now. Alright. So we have a nice piece of hose just laying around here. Nobody's using it. So we're going to use it. So there you go. It's frayed already. It just poked me in the backside. Alright, so we need a nut. So we got to put this on top of here. Do that. These ones that are all frayed back, we got to put them back like that without making my finger bleed. That's always the key to this stuff, not making your finger bleed. Kind of shove it in the hole there like that. A lot of it frayed back on itself. Damn it. Being attacked over here. Hate stainless. It's fighting back. Okay, so that pulled it back, which actually helps us on getting a sleeve in there, it looks like. That might have actually been a plus. Okay, so now peel this crap away. Yeah, see that one sticks way out like we want it to. Make sure you put these back in the right direction. Yeah, it'll go right with the correct way when you put this nut on there. Okay, now I'm going to stick this thing in there without making myself bleed. Okay, now see that does not fit around that. How in the hell are you going to put that on that? I think that's the same size stuff. Oh, that's going to be a tight squeeze. So I'm thinking this has been squeezed down, probably. Alright. So let's measure our hose. Yeah, well, it's over 400 thousandths, which isn't helping that direction. It's 400 this way. Yeah, see, that's over 400 thousandths. So the hose is oversized, and this is probably undersized. Get out of my way. Oh yeah, that one's 5 thou under. Okay, so this is too small, that's too big. Between the two of them, you have a problem. So we need to spread this thing out a little bit. Now the easiest way to spread something out that's not right is get a ball and open it up. It just happens we got 3/8 balls around here because it's a Harley shop. 3/8 is a common size for a Harley. So we're going to go over here. find ourselves a 3/8 ball. Looks like that right there. Voila. Looks like it's even bigger than a 3/8 bowl. Looks way bigger. Okay, so we're going to go reverse do this. That. Okay, I just got swelled out a little bit. See, the taper's not straight anymore, so that's pretty good, I think. That might give us what we need. Alright, I'm sure that was on the factory list of how to do lines. Aircraft spec. I'm sure that'll pass every test they have without a problem. Alright. So now we go back up to this one. Okay, it's still not quite enough. But I think it'll fit this time. I'm going to hold this in my jaw again. I'm thinking these are probably not supposed to be reusable. That'd be my guess. What do I know? Just a dumbass Harley mechanic. I don't know anything. All I know is I need a stainless line. There's one right here in front of me. Oh. Oh yeah. It's way in there. That's how you do it. That's how I should have done that 3/16 or 1/4 inch one. Yeah, that thing's stuffed way up into there. This line's picking on me from behind again. Okay, now we're going to take this fitting right here. Somehow shove it in here. Hold this in the vise. Okay. Damn it. It keeps attacking me. I think it doesn't like me. Okay, I got this ferrule a little bit too far because the plastic's in the way. Okay, I think I shoved it out of the way enough. Doesn't appear to want to go in there. What a shocker. Plastic in the way. I'm sure everything I'm doing is wrong. I'm pretty sure about that. You still got plastic in there. How the hell the plastic got in there? Alright. Get out of there. Go back onto this piece. Pull it out a little bit. Doesn't appear to be coming out. Yeah, I think I cut into that. I think I cut right into that damn plastic. I bet you I did. Yep. See right there? See, I cut into the plastic. That's why it's inside my line. That's what I did. Alright, we're going to go cut this off, get a new piece, and see if it works. We know I can push it on pretty hard. Alright, we'll be back.